Hi, Dr. Josh Halper and Tessa at Hillview Veterinary Clinic in Reynoldsburg, Ohio. And today's topic is your dog and their weight. Hi, Tessa's here. And come here, Tessa. I want to show you some really basic concerns that you can look at home and check your dog over. Tessa, stand. Come here, sweetie. And then if you want to take a look down, if you want to look right down the back of your pet, see Tessa has a nice little waist. You see how it indents here? And then she has, this is her chest, her belly or abdomen, and her hips, and a nice little indentation. This is the dog's waist. And if you look down over her back, it should be a nice little indentation, okay, showing that Tessa's an excellent weight. She's actually an 8-year-old yellow Labrador, and she's 8 years old, and she's 70 pounds, so that's an ideal weight. You want to grab her, your dog's rib cage, and you should be able to feel the little ribs under your fingers, but not see them. So if you grab your dog's rib cage and all you feel is fat, then that's a good indication that your dog has probably more weight on it than it should. And then what will happen is, and I'll show you on a little diagram, but your dog should actually also lose this waist. It should be a nice, looks like a nice pear effect. So it should be out further, or you should lose the indentation. So grab over the rib cage, feel their ribs under the skin, but not see them, and that's an ideal weight. Tessa should be anywhere from 68 to 72 pounds, and she's right at 70 pounds, so she can get 3 extra treats today. And here's our basic chart on body condition scoring. Fancy title, just showing you where your dog should be. Ideally, let's start from the ideal, which is right in the middle, number 3. It talks about the ideal weight. And once again, remember I pointed out that Tessa has a nice little waist, and you see the little indentation around Tessa's waist, and this is showing a side view of your pet. See how the nice belly doesn't, nice point of the chest here, and it raises up a little bit. So let's go up a little bit overweight. You see we're starting to lose our waist here, and it's just a straight shot from the ribs right back to the rump there. And if we go up a little higher, there's our pear effect, or the obese dog. And you can see, if you compare the ideal dog from the side view to the slightly overweight dog, and once again the obese dog, you can see the changes where there's more weight around the waist, and obviously in the chest and around the belly and around the girth there, and it increases or improves as we become heavier. In contrast, there can be also an underweight dog that they're too skinny or too narrow at the waist here. You can show a little definition lost here, and not much different here on the side, but in the thin dog, they're really losing body muscle and weight over their chest as well as at their waist, and you can see the dog's xiphoid or sternum is sticking out. Maybe some ongoing underlying disease process that we need to address. Not always is it a food-based problem. Okay, once again, Dr. Josh Halper, Hillview Veterinary Clinic, and if you have questions about obesity, if you have questions about pet foods, if you have questions if your pet is overweight, just give us a call and we'll get a look at your pet for you. Thanks again.